Mimimina, welcome back to my channel. So this video today is one I've been promising for a few months now. I've been living in my new place for about 4 months and I told you guys I was going to have a video, but I just managed now. I hate when people talk for 10 years in their intro, so we're just going to go right into it. If you want to see the cost breakdown, wait until the end where I talk about that. But if you just want to see my crib, then hear the video. Welcome to my crib. Okay, so this is my place. As soon as you walk in, obviously it's Korea, take your shoes off. Excuse my food waste there. So you take your shoes off and then, so we've got this big shoe cupboard here at the entrance. So obviously you're gonna have, got all my shoes up here. And here is my junk drawer. I tell you guys, it has changed my life having a junk drawer, because then you actually have a place for those random things that, you know, don't quite have a place, and it keeps you more tidy. And this is like, I just put a lot of sports stuff here. It's basically an umbrella holder, but I put like my yoga mat, skipping rope, badminton rackets, which I'm pretty sure I've used once, but yeah. Now straight away, this is my tiny kitchen on the left hand side when you come in. You can see it's got decent storage considering it's such a tiny space, but I have to say I do love this kitchen. It's because it's so small, it's just easier to clean, you know. And I love this little spice rack which keeps all my spices, and you know, the little mini double hob. And yes, and oh my god, I have to take you guys to the best room in the house. This is my bathroom. I absolutely love it, and guess what? It's a real bloody bathroom, which means it has a bath. Like, if you're in Korea, you know having a bath in your apartment is a rare treat and a rare delight. So I've been very lucky to have that, and that was basically the deal breaker for me with this apartment. It's great. And yeah, then over here got my, you know, electrical stuff like my face wash, my face brush and my toothbrush, and got my washing machine here tucked into this little crevice. And then, oh my god guys, I actually have an electric toilet. Like, it's a bidet, so you know, it cleanses you extra well, which I think is great. Like, this has been a really nice bathroom. And then of course the bathroom also has all this storage space. Like, I literally almost have nothing in it. Like, it's too much space. What's a girl to put in this, you know? It's too much. It's for one person, it's a lot. Anyway, so my next, into the main studio room, living room area, which is like this. I'm gonna stand in the middle in 12. And a little closer, sorry, I was just watching Netflix, Terrace House, who watches that? This is my family, who I miss very much, guys. I miss you guys so much. Got my British flag behind, a little mini plant that I got the other day, some of my electrical stuff. I've got this little mini sofa. They advertise that as a sofa bed, but I'm going to show you guys how it folds out. It's not bad, but it's not what I imagined for a sofa bed. I've got this red table which I bought recently from IKEA, and I'm having a party tonight, so I got some of my party goods ready. And this is one of my favorite paintings. I mean, one of my favorite artists, if you know, Frida Kahlo. And yes, I remember when I went to Mexico a couple of years ago, and I went to her house and was able to see all her paintings, and yeah, it was amazing. Viva la vida is just a message that stuck with me. And yeah, oh my god, one of the best things about my house too, look at all of this storage. Like, 2 double wardrobes. I've got a little single wardrobe in my bedroom too. And like, I love the way everything kind of tucks away. You know, we've got the freezer is tucked into the actual cupboards, and then this is my microwave, which came with the apartment. Obviously it's built in. This is my mini oven, which I bought myself last year, but I've put it here, which is in this little slidey compartment, so you know, I could just slide it out. It's just perfect. And then it's got this little table which also slides out. It's pretty cute. I haven't quite figured out what to do with this table yet though, if I'm honest. Yes, Okay, so that's my living room. Next place I'm going to take you guys is the boudoir, the bedroom, where all the magic happens. If the magic means killing plants. This one's thriving though. But anyway, this is my bedroom, and yeah, it's pretty small, I guess, but out of the whole room I obviously wanted this to be the bedroom because it's got all the natural light. I can wake up. I love waking up with the sun in my eyes. That's how I wake up. It helps you wake up naturally. It's the best way. And got some Pokemon thingies from the claw machines. And oh yeah, this is really cool. My clothes hanging rack is in the ceiling, and you know, I just use my little remote to bring it down or put it up. Or I can use air to dry things quicker as well. It's pretty awesome. This was a great little thing. Like, there's so much space saving in this apartment. I love it. It's like things are tucked into spaces. And then, oh my god guys, this is so cool. This is my vanity. Like, I have a vanity. I feel really cool like saying this, but you know, I've got my little drawers, got my makeups and stuff in it. My little vanity chair. I bought this myself too. Actually, the whole place was unfurnished. Everything I bought myself. The bed, the sofa, the table. I bought this bookshelf for myself. Just everything I bought myself, basically. But, you know, and yeah, just my little cupboard with like different cosmetics. And then, yes, in here is my like little, it's my boiler room, basically. Nothing interesting, just my boiler. And yeah, that is basically the whole apartment. Guys, it's getting hot in Korea, you know. Whew, this is my South Africa festival fan. Anyways, so the cost breakdown, this is what you're here to hear. So the rent for this entire apartment costs 500,000 Korean won per month, of which 400,000 is subsidised by my school. And then we got bills. So far, past 4 months, my gas ranges like between 10 to 20,000 Korean won per month. And then this is the thing I found out late, so I didn't know this before, which is going to be really useful for you if you're coming here. So office towels, which is the kind of building I live in, they're like modern, they're big, they usually have like stores in the bottom, and they're really convenient. But sadly, they have a lot of hidden fees. We've got things like maintenance fees, cleaning fees, electric, and things for the whole building. Plus, I'm really lucky, and mine comes with internet, TV, and a little mini gym on the roof, and a rooftop. So, you know, I mean, you gotta pay for these conveniences, you know? So basically, all of those hidden fees and stuff comes up to about 100k per month. So, you know, we got the rent for 500, we got gas 20,000, we got office towel fees 100,000, and electric. Yeah, that's it. So in total, I do really end up paying about 620,000 Korean won per month. That's the set fee per month to live here. However, my school subsidises 400 of that, so we're left with, out of my personal pocket, I'm paying about 220 per month. But the thing is, like, I go to the gym a lot, and guess what? I don't have to pay for that. I've got my little gym right upstairs. I got no excuse, I have to go up there because it's so close, you know? So there are definitely some big benefits from living here. Plus, I just love living in this gorgeous apartment. It's a studio, it's brand new, it's very convenient. There's convenience stores downstairs, like, I do really like, and I'm really close to the local transport and the trains and stuff, so I have to say I'm really happy here. But it is a lot pricier than what I imagined. So I learned budgeting this year. I'm getting really good at it too. I'm proud of myself. I feel like I'm getting everything that I want and still, you know, living life. So yeah, that's it really. That's the cost breakdown. Let me know if you have any questions, like, do you think this is pricey? Because I've heard in Seoul you can pay a whole lot more. I didn't even say where I live. I live in Gyeonggi. I live south of Seoul, about an hour south of Seoul. And yeah, this is what I'm paying for this apartment here. So it doesn't really take me long to go into Seoul. It probably takes me like, depends where I'm going. If I was going straight to Seoul Station, the train from here goes in about an hour. But it really depends where I'm going. But it's decent enough. Like, for some reason I end up going there a lot of weekends, but it's pretty cheap. Like, I don't know, I'm happy with it so far. that was my apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and please do subscribe to my channel for other content. It's going to be a lot more travel based content, and also just, you know, things about my life and career, my interests at the moment, which is mostly revolving about fashion, and namely vintage fashion. I love vintage clothes. That's my preferred way of shopping, to be honest. Like this vintage, they're all vintage. That's what I like. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!